day everyone, we are the reporters of Module 19 and we will be discussing the material handling of packing for handling efficiency. And there are four keys in packaging perspective. First is packaging. In packaging guys, there are two categories and that is the consumer and industrial. In consumer guys, nag-focus lamang sa primarily on marketing. Ang industrial nag-focus sa in logistic. Then next guys is ang master cartoons. Ang master cartoons guys is container siya nga nag-use to group individual products. As example guys is na siya dako nga box. Kanang dako nga box is tapos siya sulutan nga box. Tung sulod din natong box tapay sulod nga box like nagpatong-patong itong box sa sulod sa isa ka dako nga box diba guys. Muna siya ang master cartoons. And ang unitization guys, ang unitization is to refers to grouping master cartoons into larger units of handling. Ang unitization guys is na siya kung may larger nga cartoons tapos smaller cartoons. So muna siya ang utilization guys, like lahi itong mga small nga cartoons, lahi dito po ang mga large na cartoon. And next is unit loss. Ang unit loss guys kay group master cartoons, like as a word group master cartoons is like narito tanan ang mga dagko nga mga cartoons. Kung naka-assign siya ba, so sa imong palang paglantaw daan, makita na nimo nga ana siya nga cartoons is muna sa dadya ang mga dagko nga mga supply or something like that. There's a small nga mga cartoons, dadya ang mga small things nga mga supplies.
Role of packaging in industry. Number 1, utilization, modular packaging. Number 2, handling, appropriate for automation. Number 3, security, can package be sealed to detect break-in. Number 4, stowability, cube efficiency. Number 5, information, identification and tracking. Number 6, protection, spoilage or damage.
Function of packaging. In function of packaging guys, first is containment. In containment guys is ang product must be contained before they can be moved from one place to another. Second is protection. Protection that contains of the packet must be protected. And next is apportionment. Apportionment is the output must be reduced from industrial production and to manageable desirable consumer size. Unitation. Unitation is primarily package na siya nga can be unitized into secondary package. Next is convenience. Convenience is packaging allows product to be used conveniently. Next is communication. And communication is ang packing allows the use of ambiguous.
Packaging design principle. Packaging, warehousing handling system, and all warehousing operation are interrelated within the firm logistics system. All must be managed efficiency. Some consideration for packaging design: standardization, pricing, product or package adaptability, product level, handling ability, product packability, reusability and recyclability, high storage and space utilization, information and communication. Packaging for materials handling efficiency, packaging design, using standard configuration and order quantities facility efficiency, cube out of vehicle result in shipping full without reaching weight limit, weight out of transport vehicle result in shipping air in space that can't be filled with product, cube in weight minimization are special challenge of mail order and e-commerce. Utilization in the process of grouping cartons into unit loads. Communication role is to identify package contents for all channels members.
Principles of handling. There are 6 principles. So the first principle is equipment for handling and storage should be as standardized as possible. Next is when in motion, the system should be designed to provide maximum continuous product flow. So next is investment should be in handling rather than stationary equipment. The next one is the handling equipment should be utilized to the maximum extent possible. And the fifth one is in handling equipment selection, the ratio of dead weight to payload should be minimized. And the last principle of handling is whenever practical, gravity flow should be incorporated in system design. So the next topic is the material handling system required different amounts of labor and capital investment. So there are 5 There are 5. So the first one is the manual sorting. Next is the mechanized. Third is the semi-automated. And the fourth one is the automated. And the last one is the information directed. Material handling. Material handling is defined as efficient short distance movement that usually takes place within the confines of a building such as a plant or a warehouse, and between a building and transportation agency. So next one is the material handling system. There are 4 dimensions of material handling system. These are movement, time, quantity, and space. So the first one is the movement. The movement aspect of materials handling involves the conveyance of goods into and out of storage facilities. Next one is the time. The time, the dimension of material handling, is concerned with readying goods for production or for customer order filling. So next one is the quantity issue. The quantity issue addresses the varying usage and delivery rate of raw materials and finished goods respectively. And the last one is the material handling equipment. Consumes space in the warehouse and plant space in a facility is fixed, and the materials handling system must utilize this space effectively.
Material handling equipment. For material handling equipments, there are 3 types of material handling equipments. First is a storage and order picking equipment, rack shelving, drawers, and operator control devices such as forklift. As you can see in the mga pier, na yung mga forklift trucks kana may itong gagmay nga naiduha ka like fork mo na siya. Then transportation and sorting. The order picker can use large selection of power and non-powered equipment for transportation and sorting items located in the racks, shelving, and drawers. So for the shipping is of product to customers involves preparing items for shipment and loading them into transportations carriers equipment such as pallets, fertilizers, strapping machines, and stretch wrappers are important. Unitization has the basic objective of increasing handling, and unit loads take 1/5 the time required for manual loading and unloading unitization method and transport efficiency. We have here rigid containers, these are the example of rigid containers. Air freight containers, sea land containers, returnable racks. Rigid containers are examples of rigid containers is kanabitang nakaseal para di siya maunsa. And for the flexible containers, we have here pallets and slip sheets. Benefits of rigid containerization: improve overall material movement efficiency, reduces damage in handling in transit, reduces pilferage, reduces protective packaging requirements, provides greater protection from environment, provides shipments unit that can use many times, reduces waste, reduces need to dispose of the container. That's all. Thank you.